Karai ka kalasyahin naman pala nagaliang ba prestun tosong bubu ya kacalan. Om ay kimat lai sakut te nila ya keren kelen sodong ni ong lum ikut kisla tempat si bila gini pai. Ini ikut kisla kila pembiang dengan dia ya. Dan sarai ikut kimde kibat dia. Haga jo kapor kadon ka historical claim ko ni ke ba Haji Shah ka Meghalaya government ber ka Assam government kila ya manjur ki historical santali gimat historical perspective
Menhenen kasngi ka khat hendri tarik ujimang arhajar ROR ka kenhun jo ka Joint Action Committee Border of Meghalaya hapo ka jingalam uba Erwin Case im sutnga kubu chairman kiralet hiar sa kasnong Malangkona West Khasi Hills District kaba don hakaput bat ka jila Assam banya kendu yakinong sngsnong jo ka tegathan ban penlong ya ka jingalang patba banya kren halor ka memorandum of understanding lani ka MOU hakabaki ar menteri rangba ka jila Meghalaya ban Assam kila dat pansoi kani ka jinga kendu ban kinong sngsnong jo ka tegathan kadairu kumshi benta ban lum ban lang ikot kisla jong ki jaka ki puta jo kinong sngsnong jo ka tegathan kaban long kum ka jing pensisha bakate ga jaka kadang hap pura sa ka jila Meghalaya bakate ga jinglu me ikot kisla jaka kadairu na ka benta ban penkre ban ya khun persha ekate ka MOU sha ka Supreme Court hakate ga jinga lang lawan ban shim benta bat kershan lang daki kenhun seng halang ba pher ki ba thop ya ka MPSO HANM Motion Road Circle ka GSU ka FKJGP lambat ki kenhun seng halang ki ba nakeleng ka Garo Hills ki riu rangba lambat ki patba nong shnong kumju ki ba marjan bat kate ka shnong
kumni kini area parok ni nanong lang hima nongwa ka hima melim transfer kini ki area only for administrative convenience mentau Assam mula pui hang ni ki area ka jemi kadon hang ni Assam mula pui hang ni mentapi ong pada give and take ni give ya ka ju ka jaka we are giving our own place we are taking our own place so that whatever they are deciding that 18 point something square kilometer which they have decided that 34 square kilometer which they have decided that is all Meghalaya nothing more than that the namar kata kadao ni happen let's school sebenarnya pilai yang tu begini ki paiba nang ni ai ka jesan ka begini let's school ko mene mesti ngalang ya keren bagi perlu tidak saya jadi dikila orang yang wandra nak keslang beran bagi indeng tang ni wandra ikut keslang in pay itu notification yang betul in pay ki maps ki barem de Islam apa pay kalau punya teh kakis ni hap optin ni pasti orang kata kadi kawai ke kawasan kebar kan lai ba ni de banyo e kan no direction de central government nomor boleh ang ni kajikali jong ka article 263 do wala the question of article 263 is there where an interstate council has to be set up you cannot do it like this is not the correct way nomor boleh no Assam ni labu us ka time frame pai ubus ka time frame kai kata time frame ubus ka time frame ka manong ba kin kani kadon kani ka time frame ka jongki time frame ko kadon ka time frame ko bugilabu bakidon ka mampendap sensitive sensitive key stakeholders including Home Ministry, Government of India, sensitized key stakeholders including Home Ministry, Government of India about final recommendation 1 month. So, menta ki ong bagi di stakeholder. Right. What about the local stakeholders? Second, approval by both government and their legislature. 3 months. They will place it before the legislature. Now, apart from that, demarcation of boundaries and fixation of permanent pillar